Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to create this creative advertising poster in Canva using some of the free elements that are found in Canva. Open Canva and go to mobile video. Choose a blank canvas. Go to upload. Choose a picture and put it onto your canvas. Resize and reposition your image. Now let's add color to our canvas. Go to color and choose any color. Now go to elements. In the search bar, type waves. Go to graphics and choose these graphic elements. This is a free one and there's pro ones. Put your graphic element onto a canvas. Resize and reposition your graphic element. Go back to elements and in the search bar type girl on surfboard. Choose your graphic element and put it onto a canvas. Resize and reposition your graphic element. Make sure that your graphic element is properly positioned. Go back to elements and in the search bar type paraglider. If you are on a free version, you can choose this free graphic image of a paraglider. Reposition your graphic element. Go back to elements and in the search bar type sun. Go to graphics and choose a free graphic image of a sun. For this project you're going to choose this one. Place it onto a canvas. Resize and reposition your graphic element. Go back to elements and in the search bar type clouds. Bring your cloud onto your canvas. You can also duplicate your clouds and put them across your canvas. Go back to elements and in the search bar this time type hot air balloon and choose any graphic element. If you are on a free version, you can choose a free one. Put your element onto a canvas. Resize and reposition your element. Go back to elements and in the search bar type strawberry. If you are on a free version, you're going to choose a free strawberry element. Let's go for this one. Send your strawberry element to your canvas. Resize and reposition your strawberry element. Duplicate your element and move it to a different position. You can put it here and send it to the back of the bottle. Create another duplicate and put it at a different position. You can also send it to the back. And this is our final project. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and like. Until we see each other in the next video, peace.